Today we are going to resolve this flag. It's called the Matryoshka doll. As we can see, is a medium one. Is a forensic. So probably we're going to get a file, an image, and we have to understand what there is inside this file. Matryoshka doll, as we know, is a doll where we have inside other doll and doll as smallest. So let's try to get this image. So copy link. Let's go to our terminal. I have already a folder called Matryoshka. So we get. Okay. So. Okay. We'll remove this. So let's do an eog. Eog is a command. You can see eog. Is eye of GNOME is GNOME. Sorry, is GNOME, as we know, is the desktop environment in Linux, and we have this command that is very useful for open images from the terminal. So I can do eog dolls. So we can see is an image. Okay, where to find the flag inside this image. We can see that maybe we could have some metadata inside the image. The best way to extract the metadata is about using Exiftool. You can see help. Usually, yes, there is a documentation, but very useful is used only with Exiftool tools. Okay, you see that we have some information, profile description, profile ID, compression of image, file name. You can have some data, but here we don't have nothing, as I see. If I do as well type to the image, I see that no, it's not type, it's a file. I see that is a PNG image. Oh, I can understand if it is a PNG image. I can do xdump to the image, for example. I can do an add. And in the first, I don't know if I have some 1 byte canonical format. No. Okay, so let's do this command add. We see that the first hexadecimal values are 50, 89, 47, 4e. We can, for example, transform this value to like ASCII. We can transform this value to ASCII. So okay. So we can transform this value to ASCII. How is possible? We have inside the documentation. Okay, we don't have a man as well. Okay, yes. Okay, ASCII. So display the input followed by 16. Okay, but it's canonical is x plus ASCII display. So I can do this one. See, and we see that this is PNG IHDR. Usually, if we go to Wikipedia, you saw that they either start with 89 or 54E47. So it's a PNG either. We have another tool, it's called Binwalk. Binwalk is used for extract information about the file, but this one is used more for hexadecimal values. So if I do Binwalk dolls, I can see that there are some hexadecimal values that refer to some type of file. For example, we see that there is a PNG image, is a TIFF image, but it's as well a zip archive data. Is at least v2 to extract, and we have a file inside that is called base image to see JPG. So we found the vulnerability. So what I can do binwalk -ve is this verbose is used for extract. I can put dolls JPG. Okay, and I will have unextracted. I can go inside this folder, do an ls. I see that I have a dead zip that we used, and we have a base image. I can go inside this, simply do an ls, and I see that I have another image. So let's go there. is a PNG image. Maybe we have a flag here. No, but it's more smaller. So Binwalk again. We see that is again a zip file. So we really don't know how much zip we have to do, because if it's a Matryoshka, so Matryoshka is a various doll. We don't know the exact number of doll, and we don't want to spend time for do unzip, 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 unzip. So the best way to do it is to create a script that extracts the information. So what we can do? We can use a simply script. For example, shell extract.sh. I will remove set no line, no list, and set as well number. Okay, so let's go to put bin bash. Declare a variable. We are going to create a counter. So count e equals to y2, because I think the logic will be that this is the index that increase, and we have this is the format of the image. So no, set the list. So equals true. Let's do a while true. So while true, do what we are going to do. We are going to do a CP. Yes. So ACP to from VI. Let's do a ls. Oops, this is a manual. Let's do an ls. We see that I cannot do the ls here. Clearly, okay. I can do the ls. Okay, let's open another terminal, because maybe we don't have the image. Okay, so let's copy this image. Let's change this value. So E, we are going to copy the value into a zip. So this will be a zip file. Okay, after we are going to unzip. So unzip this. So is always an I back dash c dash zip. After, what we can do, we really don't know when the script will finish, because the script will run multiple times, and yes, we'll find the flag, but it's more clear to finish the script, finish the while true. So what we can do, we can get the status of this unzip. We have a 1 when the script when we get error, and 0 when we don't get error from the result. So we can get like a status. So status unzip, you can put equals to this one, that this one will retrieve the status of the last command. We can do an if variable status unzip not equals to 1, then let's go to break the while true, then break finish. Else, what will happen? We're going to do a cd into as we see is the base images, cd base images, we're going to increase our counter, yes. So we can do e equals e plus 1. Where is the plus in my US keyboard? Okay. And after the last one, for make the script less faster, you can do a sleep one. And done. Chmod, you can put okay, is this. Okay, see that the script work. See that as well. We are okay. So we have cd base images. Okay, and we are in the 4 one, so there are only 4 doll. I can do an EOG as well here, and let's go to EOG to the 4 C JPG. EOG, sorry, is smaller, but we have the most important for us is the flag. So more flag. And this is our flag. Let's try to see if it works. So let's go there. Put, submit, go. But that's all, guys. Maybe we could create a script more, more easier. But we resolve the CTF, and this is the most important for us. Thank you. See you.